Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
You should be wearing gloves. To get to your fog light bulbs, this will be the same on both sides. You can go up here. There's a white clip that's locking the connector to the bulb. It's actually kind of gray. Lift it up and then push the connector back to unlock it. And then turn the bulb counterclockwise to unlock it. We'll take the bulb out. The 9006 bulb. This one's in good shape, so we'll reuse it. And to reinstall it, put it right back in here. Make sure you don't touch it with your fingers. You should be wearing gloves. Kind of find the locks, the little tabs to line it up. It'll slide into place and then turn it clockwise to lock it and plug the connector back in. It doesn't really snap, but it locks in place.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.